ettaka hagati y'abantu babiri.
Family pa Byenke Beatrice.
Muno munerugire mu family ya Byenke Beatrice.
Ma Abdulmalik Bayaronia ebineno ankuli senge.
Kandi obo Abdulmalik nagamba nti ettaka liraliire mu family egyo.
Nakachoma pura Abdulmalik mondongo.
Eirabula Abdulmalik atakayizire.
Nanga waberu winja olampa Beatrice kende.
Twawuliriza nsonga ya Beatrice wenka. Mu biro bya kwezi 12 mu Desemba
ore mukado
mwaka gwa hoire
anwa barua kudi ibang Mugisa Abdulmalik
akafuna ibaruha kuruga hali Mugisa Abdulmalik
mebe yarna etie kunga msikoya malizi area parami bombo etingamilenju
obu namugamba nti aina square miles 2 mu side za lenju obo mu murupa wa bombo
maenwa kulikoti
obu yafunire kuruka mukoti
magi chungu ikoti chaku Byenke ku family pa Byenke Beatrice
kandi obu mukoti bakayemera na family ya Byenke Beatrice
kitema korkuiwa
nuko ya barua ke ba
awo pesa dumira ngwana abiskene
neja kuika mukwezi kwa kana kwa katanomo
wana koti order
akafuna koti order
mube yeronia
ekugamba nti
Mr.
Abdulmalik
o makobini ya bo boundary para square miles area
inti aije akingule boundary ya square miles
mawasio biro office para this is kucha
o wakaruka handu bagenda kwika bakagenda mu office ya RDC
ni wano tele mene
kujja kufuna ensonga egerugirino
wa body meeting kecha
bakaikara mu rukoto
ikoriwa
baba manyisa bo bakambira
gikwani wakotoda etade
ba itu batwara tate
bino gikwani wakotoda etaburi
bakuli nabo bayikire kuli babasomera koti order nkuko ebaine esomwa
wagamwayo kakumete taprota jortawamita jorbero mute ngamende amakokote na makwani wata gibingi kwani gibingi era na sewa igida
nabwe cyo kuka kuli babagambira nti kusikikira mutusomeri ukaba abebembezi mututwale na hampata kakuli mugene mubasomere koti order egyo kugamba
wabebe kakai kama wati
nabo twaje hano yenyine alituyikalire kirokero
kwan koto dan dano engi
abantu bano basomerwa
majority district enzo gibeduritie
ababembezi ba district bona bakabaho
gigamgiya boundaries pa square miles area
bakingura boundary ya square miles 2
ni eta
kurugo obwo
wando lembega munya ikendo
ante ensonga yeija
wataka
abataka
mako beyer charma lembeta aikoti
bo abamu bani bagamba ndi kusikikira ebintu binu birugira koti
nyongo square miles area chote pa Abdulmalik anda
into bundi square miles 2 ezo mazima esakuwa ya Abdulmalik
wataka mako beyer Abdulmalik pe konga mete ja konga mete pa Beatrice
abataka bamu ni bagamba Abdulmalik alimusoma taine itaka isako eri ya esakuwa ya Beatrice
lembe man gamuke gamunya ilembe lekene
kana tabandi bagamba na Beatrice taine itaka kuona bali bati ati ensonga yeija yanyira ke
to jumoko to security mbere kama mako makudano watakade
kandi ndiko kitiyo ndita security organization yasindika ko na bataka bamu ni babakwataga no kubakwata
mako tia ku case police kuchade
na bataka bamu baikaina na pesa ha polisi
Polambe sama Abdulmalik ya buwangompare
abuko wiro wa Abdulmalik ya izire ya kingolo 5 ye
jumoko ta kuwilongo nibange
abamba tangagura itaka musaidi za ikuli hali ya kingiri yataka kutunda kuguza abantu
okay so tubiyara ti English maendo ngolo kukudoku mamwaye okay now when he started selling the land those ones who are buying the land, some of them had the intention of grazing their cow in that very land.
Some are okay, you just mix direct, eh? Okay, it's fine. You want me to story me watching also wangeyo. Kiti maja dita bino kodo cha kolora korongo mgi dan juma chama jilo ro igicha kuku cha kuketole ya migi bishami.
So the cows started destroying those crops which were on the other side. And you know the farmer, if the cows are now invade the crops, then they react. Then those once they react, then they were supposed to be arrested and taken away. Then after that, when they wanted to come and face the area, then they also came those people whom we brought. They started setting the houses of those residents into place, and it also caused a lot of chaos here. So out of that, they were arrested. Even chairperson was one of Ranju, and Rojima here were arrested, but they are still outside. They were released on police bond, and the one who range was released on a court bail. So these are the problems we are having here. And now our prayer as the leaders of the area, these two people who are fighting for the land, as leaders we are requesting, even if the land is for Abudimali, even if the land is for Honorable Bitrus Biakia, at least we are requesting our residents should remain on the land. That's our prayer as leaders of the sub-country. I believe my ayar kudo dogma ayar kita lonyi ngoma en kani ngomite pa Honorable Bitrus kani ngomite pa Abudimali kwachi mwachar jurutalami bombo kwachi mwachar jurutalami te pedarakai utena jurubedumo udonga kani udongi ngomaen ente kwachi mwachar jurutalami bombo kujurutalami te pedarakai inde ruang miki tana rota ukudesendo bedumo wingoma fall. I remain Adrico Manuel, the chairperson of the constituency, Bongo Sub-County. It is like this. When he brought those people, actually it is Abdul Malik. When he brought his workers are for his work, to work on the other side of his. So they are the ones which started setting the house of a resident in place. That's where the girl started. Yes. One of the residents' house. Yes. Yeah, that the conflict raised up. Then after that, then again residents began now fighting in between themselves. After that one. Yes. Every project kumai. Sa maja di chokelo dan pare intimate sketcher. Aru ba jurtis pa chara muraru chunyi ot pa jalo mo jadi timacha. Gilar di chunyi ot pare. Kadang wataka kampi na chako luikin. Yurinya imet ot doacha di chunyi ot pa jadi timacha. Ubar kumengo.
Okay, for your program, the next on agenda is our chairperson, Local Council.
Honorable Minister,
For Minister,
Chief Whip of RDCs,
Chief Whip RDC,
RDC Hoima, and Deputy RDC Hoima,
RDC Hoima, Deputy Bare,
Bwino Gariso, Intelligence Officer,
Danama which Kongi,
Team Program Secretary of President on Special Duties,
Team President Malo,
Coordinator of Vivanja Holders, Vona, Uganda Yona,
Representative Migi, Lempa, Juma, Nganwa Nyego, Bidana Magiti Kongoma Kipukia Paivi,
Kurvedina Marihano,
Jurutela Midini Magitika Kenny,
Tugenda District to now District Vice Chairperson,
District Vice Chairperson Tika Kai,
District Executive Committee members,
Executive Committees of Kitika Kai,
Honorable Councillors,
Honorable Councillors, Kima Kitika Kenny,
Hamna Opinion Leaders,
Kujudongo Shekem,
Chairperson CCD Hamna Councillors Wawi,
Chairperson Deiko, Councillor Pare,
Chairperson C2,
Elusario,
Chairperson C1,
Chairperson Lokasawan,
Hamna Bataka Inyuen.
Kujurubiru Cheke.
Honorable Minister,
Honorable Minister,
this is a very strong controversial land issue. Chairperson here has been talking about Abdul Malik. He is here with us. He has been talking about Bitrus. Abdul Malik says court gave him land, but he's not on the land title. A different name is on the land title.